Okay, here? Anyone?
Ma'am, till 2 o'clock.
2:30, 2:10.
Yes, Samasi, they are having
Two
class,
done,
I
ma'am.
think,
Two
one
done.
of. Sorry?
We have lectures
Sorry?
till 2:10, ma'am.
Two done, ma'am.
2:10. Okay. 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 2:10. No. So after that also, Soumya, I'm talking about next time beta. This is not for today. It is okay for today. Okay. Okay. It will be good for you also. Na? You will get much time to interact. For that, I'm saying. I cannot give you more time. Huh? Second year students, very good morning. This third year student, they want to interact with you. So they will just take a 5 minutes. So, yes, Soumya. Soumya, you can take over, beta.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I hope I am audible and visible. You
Yes.
guys can let me know in the chat box if I am properly audible and visible. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, so good morning. To introduce myself, I am Soumya Fadkar. I'm the president of CESA, and my team is here with me. We're here to formally welcome you into the computer department. I hope you have an amazing time here and you learn everything there is to learn here. To answer the question most of you probably have, what is CESA? All departments in our college have a student association. We at computer department have CESA, which is Computer Engineering Student Association. Technically speaking, all students of the computer department are a part of CESA, but a few students are handpicked each year to form the team of representatives or the chosen leaders of CESA. This year, it is your turn. To keep up with the standard of CESA, we will hold an elaborate recruitment process in which the best of the best will be chosen to form the SE team of CESA, and we hope you apply. To answer why you should be a part of CESA, one of the most important things in college is to choose the right opportunities, the right crowd, and the right activities through which you can make sure that at the end of these 4 years, you come out of college as the best version of yourself. Being a part of CESA will allow you to explore your strengths, give you the space and guidance required to work on your weaknesses. Especially this year with the pandemic, our college experience has been altered quite a bit. To maintain some of the norm and to give you the best opportunities available in college, we at CESA welcome you to apply. With CESA, you will be a part of all things important in this college and department, develop soft skills such as organizational skills, time management, and multitasking. This is also one of the more efficient ways to work towards your professional and personal development. Now, I would like Jessica to tell you a bit about what we do in college. Jessica?
Hello?
You're audible. Please go ahead.
Next slide. So we have the KPIT Sparkle. The KPIT Sparkle is an innovation platform that allows the youth to make an impact in the field of automotive software and nurture talent for evolving mobility ecosystem. The theme for KPIT Sparkle 2020 was Mobility and Energy for Future. The teams with 30 best ideas, shortlisted from over 33,000 entries across India, presented transformative solutions in mobility and energy. On the occasion of World Health Environment Day, a few members of CESA had gone to a nearby site
Excuse me, you're not audible.
The presentation is not
Thank
audible.
you, Jessica. Can I ask Palak and Soham to come up here and share their experience? They will be telling you what it is like to be a part of the SE team. Okay, I'm so sorry to interrupt. Can you join the other meet as well?
Oh, yeah. Well, I can continue.
Yeah. Make sure you're part of both the meetings.
Yeah. Should I meet? Well, yeah. Okay, just give me a second.
Yes.
Okay, so hey everyone, this is Pala Gupta, and I'm currently a webmaster in Team SESA. I have also been a part of SESA in my second year as a webmaster itself, and it was truly an amazing learning experience. In my second year, I was really excited about joining SESA and working with my seniors. And honestly, the amount of technical as well as non technical skills that I have gained in this phase is beyond comparison. I still remember the first time I got to work on the college website. It almost felt like a huge achievement. I got to know what professional works like, and it helped me build a lot of new contacts and increase my network. Recently, I also conducted an online session, which would not have been possible without SESA because, firstly, SESA is the platform that gives you such opportunities, and it also equips you with the right tools, which will help you talk to a huge audience. When you communicate and work within a team regularly and put you forth your point or your pain during team meets, it really raises you up and boosts your communication skills. Personally, I have grown a lot during this year phase, and trust me, you do not want to miss chance. It will be the best experience that we'll have. So, see you guys. Soumya, you continue?
Yes. Okay, Soham, can you please share your experience once again for the other class as well?
Yeah, will do. Yeah,
Soham, are you here?
I'm here.
Yeah.
So, hi everyone, I'm Soham, the current Vice President, and this is my second year experience with Team SESA. So, think of SESA not as a place where you just organize events and webinars, but it is also a place for professional growth, social growth, and lots of fun. I have learned a multitude of things here, like planning an entirely online event, cold calling people to tell them about the said event, juggling my time between academics and responsibilities, writing articles, and even digital designing. Whenever I got too comfortable within my bubble, SESA pushed me right out of my comfort zone. Coming to the fun stuff, I remember initially as an ice-breaking session, we had a brutal cutthroat debate on whether chai is superior to coffee. Then there were times when everyone's hanging out in Discord, working on one thing or the other, and I didn't even realize when it's 2 past midnight. And for me, the best part about it was interacting with my seniors, who were very friendly and helpful. They made this lousy year a little more bearable for me. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys on the team. There will be a lot to learn, and trust me, you'll have the time of your life. This is just a small piece of the pie from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So since we have limited time right now, we will cut this short here. But I'm sure you guys have a lot of questions, and we will answer all of those questions in our session all about CESA. This will be held tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. after your college. We look forward to seeing you there and hopefully as a part of CESA family. Again, I welcome you to apply. This is a good opportunity for all of you, and I hope you use it. Thank you so much. Ma'am, we are done. With your permission, may we take leave?
Yes, Soumya.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, good morning, students. So yesterday we had discussed with the syllabus.